Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2016 Freightliner Coronado factory built glider kit to show you. Built with a 12.7 liter Detroit, 10 speed. It's got 337 on an out of frame overhaul, 1.2 million miles total. I've gotten it hot, going to do a full walk around, show you underneath the hood, frame rails. This is a one owner. We got in just this week. I'm going to show you everything that we see here. Let's go ahead and get started. Air ride front end. Blow by looks good. Now this truck does have clear coat peeling up on the top. We've got a little bit of damage on the wheel-to-wheel there. Fairly clean and straight truck overall, but just cosmetically on the aesthetic side, a little paint work. This right here is pretty normal for a Coronado, especially with some age. The great side is this pre-emission 12.7. We hadn't had a Coronado in a while. This would be a very affordable option for somebody wanting to get into a pre-emission glider kit. Steers were good, 4 drives are good. It's going to need 4 drives. It's got all aluminum wheels. Brakes. It's a Southern truck, there's no rust on it. Interior's nice and clean. It's got great low side oil pressure. Super smooth to the RPMs, and the oil pressure climbs exactly like it's supposed to. Really nice. Alright guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call. 901-896-4526. You can also email me anytime to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.